Okay, now we are gonna learn kinds of adverb and adverb.
Hello, children. My name is Grace Alicamen, your teacher for today. We are going to talk about the different kinds of adverbs.
Okay, I cannot read the audio.
Used to modify verbs,
Okay,
adjectives,
now I can
and
hear
other
the audio,
adverbs.
but there's a lot of music.
Let us study adverbs more deeply. They walked slowly. The adverb slowly modifies the verb walked. It was a fairly clear day. The adverb fairly modifies the adjective clear. The group practices quite often. The adverb quite modifies the adverb often. There are different kinds of adverbs. Adverb of manner. It tells us how an action happens. He drove the car carefully. The gymnast gracefully performed on the stage. Carefully and gracefully are the adverbs of manner used in sentences. They basically answer the question how. How did he drive? How did she perform on the stage? Adverb of place. It tells us where an action happens. He stayed here. James parked his motorcycle nearby. So where did he stay? Here. Where did James park his motorcycle? Nearby. Adverb of time. It tells us when an action happens. I will tell you the story tomorrow. The best way to find the adverb of time is to ask, when will you tell the story? The answer is tomorrow. Take note that if you don't want to put emphasis on the time, you can also put the adverb of time at the beginning of the sentence. If you combine different types of adverbs, the adverbs will always be in this order: manner, place, time. Or the easier way is to remember the format MPT. For example, Laura danced gracefully here yesterday. Gracefully is manner, here is place, yesterday is time. Adverb of frequency. It tells us how often an action occurs or how many times. I see him daily. They always helped me. Daily and always, adverbs of frequency. Adverb of degree. It tells us the degree or extent to which something happens. They answer the question how much or to what degree. Mary is very beautiful. He drove quite dangerously. Very and quite are adverbs of degree. What is the difference between the adverb of affirmation and the adverb of negation? Adverb of affirmation. It tells us that something is true or positive. Examples are yes, Really, certainly, absolutely, positively, definitely, truly, undoubtedly, and surely. Adverb of negation. It tells us that something is not true or negative. Examples are no, not, never, nothing. Once again, these are the different kinds of adverbs with their examples: time, place, manner, frequency, degree, affirmation, and negation. At this point, let us try to identify the adverb in each sentence. The old woman was walking slowly.
Slowly.
The adverb is slowly, and it is the adverb of manner. I often visit my grandparents.
Often. Adverb of frequency.
The adverb is often, and it is an adverb of frequency. The project is not practical.
Practical.
Not is the adverb,
Oh.
and it is negation. He will go to school tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Adverb of time.
Tomorrow is the adverb, and it is the adverb of time. It is extremely hot today.
Extremely. And it is
The adverb used is extremely, and it is the adverb of degree.
adverb of degree. Okay.
So kids, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe for more.
Thanks for watching, and sorry for the music. There's a lot of music and very less audio.